50 questions and answers about the Father. Part 1. About the Father. 1. Who is the main person in the story? The Father. 2. What kind of man was the Father? He was quiet and hard-working. 3. What was the Father's job? He was a laborer. 4. When did the Father wake up every day? Before the sun rose. 5. What did the Father carry at work? Heavy bricks and bags. 6. What were the Father's hands like? Rough and cracked. 7. Did the Father complain about his work? No, he never complained. 8. What question did the Father ask every day? How was school? 9. Did the Father buy things for himself? No, he did not. 10. Why did the Father work so hard? For his Son's future. Part 2. About the Son. 11. Was the Son rich or poor? He was poor. 12. What condition was the Son's school bag in? It was old. 13. How did other children treat the Son? Some laughed at him. 14. What did one boy say to hurt him? That his father was poor. 15. Did the Son tell his father about the teasing? No, he did not. 16. How did the Son feel inside? Sad and hurt. 17. Why couldn't the Son sleep one night? Because he heard his parents talking about money. 18. What did the Son think about himself? That he was a burden. 19. What did the Son say the next morning? He didn't want to go to school. 20. What did the Son want to do instead? He wanted to work. Part 3. The Worksite Lesson. 21. Where did the Father take the Son? To his workplace. 22. What did the Father give the Son to carry? A heavy bag. 23. How did the Son feel at first? Strong and proud. 24. How did the Son feel later? Tired and weak. 25. What did the Son do when he couldn't continue? He sat and cried. 26. What did the Father show the Son? His broken hands. 27. What did the Father say about his work? He worked so his Son wouldn't have to. 28. Did the Son understand his Father then? Yes, he did. 29. Where did they sit and talk? Under a tree. 30. Who ate more food? The Son. 31. Did the Father have dreams when he was young? Yes, he did. 32. Why did the Father stop dreaming? Because life was hard. 33. What did the Father want for his Son? To keep dreaming and studying. 34. What promise did the Son make? He would study and not give up. 36. Was studying always easy for the Son? No, it was hard. 37. What helped the Son continue studying? Remembering his Father's hands. 38. Where did the Father sit at night? Near the Son while he studied. 39. Did the Father help with homework? No, he just stayed. 40. How did the Father's presence help? It made the Son strong. 41. Did the Son keep his promise? Yes, he did. 42. What happened to the Father one evening? He became sick. 43. Where did the Son see his Father? In the hospital. 44. What did the Father ask the Son to do? Not stop studying. 45. Did the Son promise again? Yes, he promised. 46. What good news did the Son receive later? A scholarship letter. 47. How did the Father react to the letter?
he cried and smiled. 48. Where did the father sit on graduation day? In the front row. 49. How did the father look that day? Old and weak, but happy. 50. What is the main message of the story? Never give up because parents sacrifice for us.